Shalom Aleichem. Minsan napapansin mo ba kahit gusto mong gawin ang tama, parang may laban. Discouragement, temptation, fear. Hindi lang ito normal na struggle. May spiritual battle talaga. Kaya sinasabi sa Ephesians chapter 6 verse 10 to 11, "Finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord and in the power of His might. Put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil." Ibig sabihin, bago tayo manalo sa spiritual battle, kailangan muna nating malaman saan nanggagaling ang tunay na lakas natin. Una, strength from the Lord. Be strong in the Lord. Hindi galing sa sarili nating lakas ang victory. Minsan mahina tayo, pero kay Lord, may power at strength tayo. Pero hindi lang strength ang kailangan. Next, wear God's armor. Put on the armor of God. Parang soldier sa battle, kailangan ng protection. Ang armor natin ay prayer, word of God, faith, at righteousness. At bakit natin kailangan ito? Lastly, stand against the enemy. Stand against the enemy. May enemy na gustong sirain ang faith mo. Pero kapag naka-armor ka kay God, kaya mong tumayo at magtagumpay. This is Pastor Francis. Remember today, be strong in the Lord, wear His armor, and stand firm in faith. Like, follow, and share to encourage someone today. God bless. Shalom.